Handheld fiber laser welding machine is mainly used for welding stainless steel, carbon steel, aluminum, copper. There are 1000 watts, 1500 watts, 2000 watts, different laser power. We can choose the laser power according to our welding thickness. Its main parts: fiber laser source, water chiller, wire feeding device, wobber welding gun. This machine is 1500 watts. Its voltage is 220. There are 3 cables for the power cable. Live, nitro, and ground wire. After collect the machine, we need to connect these 3 cables. Before start the machine, please confirm power cable, argon gas, wire feeding device were connected well. Make sure water chiller was added pure water. Start machine. First, start key switch. Second, controller card. Third, water chiller. When water chiller temperature is coming up near 25 degrees, then we can push in laser power button. There are different metal and different thickness processing parameters library. Support carbon steel, stainless steel, aluminum, copper, and other metals. We can export the correct processing parameters according to the welding metal and thickness. We can also change the laser power, laser frequency, wobber frequency, wobber length according to your requirement for the welding. Welding wire fixing. What kind of metal we weld, then we use this metal welding wire. For example, if we weld stainless steel, then we use stainless steel welding wire. If we weld aluminum, then we use aluminum welding wire. Machine support 0.8 mm, 1 mm, 1.2 mm, 1.6 mm diameter of welding wire. Kindly note, the welding wire is not offered together with the machine. Customer will buy them in their local market according to their different welding requirements. Now we export 2 mm stainless steel processing parameters. We will test 2 mm stainless steel inner angle welding. So you can change the processing parameters according to the welding effect. Now we can export 3 mm stainless steel processing parameters. We will test 3 mm stainless steel inner angle welding. You can change the processing parameters according to the welding effect. Now we export 2 mm stainless steel processing parameters. We will test flight angle welding. The flight angle welding processing parameter is a bit different from the inner angle welding. After some time welding, the protective lenses will be burned or dirty by the jumped slags. So we need to change the protective lenses. When replacing protective lenses, pay attention to keep the surrounding environment clean. When we want to use this machine for simple cutting, we just need to change to cutting nozzle. Kindly note, this machine is professional for welding, not for cutting, so its cutting effect is not good compared with professional fiber laser cutting machine. If you want to order professional metal fiber laser cutting machine, so you can contact our sales department. Take out wire feeding unit, welding nozzle and pipe, welding focus lens. Change to cleaning connection and cleaning focus lens. Take out wire feeding unit, welding nozzle and pipe, welding focus lens. Change to cleaning connection and cleaning focus lens. When replacing these parts, pay attention to keep the surrounding environment clean. When replacing these parts, pay attention to keep the surrounding environment clean. We need to change to clean mode in the control panel.
密码是6个6。是这可能对。确定。
前期没事了，怎么看出来？
对吧？前期没事了。
从哪里看？
这已经不可能行驶模式了。
Fiber laser cleaning mode. It is mainly used for removing rust and paint. The whole machine must be grounded when using this product, and to ensure that the ground wear function is normal and effective. Please do not look directly at the welding head outlet, and you must wear professional laser glasses during the operation. Argon gas must be studied before welding. Argon gas function is blowing dust and cooling welding surface. It can also protect welding lengths from the burned and jumped slag. All repairs shall be made by our professional staff. Please do not damage the label and remove the lid of the welding gun and laser source. Otherwise, the company will not guarantee any damage to the product. If any questions, please contact us. Do not wipe the gun head with water or corrosive liquid. Do not use an air gun or strong wind to blow any part of the gun head. When replacing protective lenses, pay attention to keep the surrounding environment clean. Fan or air conditioners should be turned off. The whole of the gun body should be sealed with adhesive tape when the protective lens is taken out. No dust is allowed to enter the gun body. There are multiple sides of high power and fragile reflective lenses inside the touch head. When using the welding gun head, it is forbidden to knock down. Laser welding joints should not be used on the same operating table with argon arc welding. Cannot be used with argon arc welding machine by the same ground line. Laser source ambient temperature 10 degrees to 40 degrees. If it's below 10 degrees, please add antifreeze.